This video will give you a step-by-step instructions on how to insert and decorate a table into a blog post. So the first thing that you want to do is to insert the free plugin for a table. So you got to go over to the right-hand navigation panel, click on plugins, and then when all the plugin icons come up, go look on the right-hand column for inserting the plugin for a simple table. Click on that and you will see that it's been successfully inserted. It's a free plugin, so hey, why not? Let's add a new post. Let's call this post how to insert and decorate a table in a post. Give me a few seconds, I'll type in that title. Now that we've activated the plugin for inserting a table, we got to go find it. And when you open up your your text editor, you have to toggle to get that second row of icons, one of which will be the new table. So go ahead and toggle to get the second line, and there you see the table icon. So to insert a table into the post, just click on the table icon. Now that you've inserted the free plugin and found it on the second line of plugins, because you've toggled, the menu, you want to go ahead and insert a table. Now you see in very light lines, the table appears, and all you have to do is hover your mouse on the table that you see, the image of the table, and highlight the number of rows and columns that you want to insert into your post. You can see here that I've highlighted just one cell, five single cells in a single column. All I want is a single column of rows that I'm going to insert media and color into those individual cells to decorate my post. So that's what we're going to do. Now, when you
I'll get it.
insert, you'll see all of a sudden that there are very light lines now inserted, a table into your blank post, and you have to get your cursor, take some practice to get that cursor into a single cell. So that's what you want to do, is get your cursor into a single cell and start inserting media images into single cells. Once I have all my photographs inserted in the table where I want to place them, I see how I have alternating blank cells or rows between the photographs. But first I want to size the photographs so that they're all equal. I can click and drag on any photograph to make it larger or smaller. And notice as I do that, actually the table will expand or contract based to fit the size of the photograph. So I want to be careful and just make sure I click on the photograph and make the margins all equal so all the photographs relatively are the same size. What we want to do now is resize the photographs inside the table, so we can just click and drag on any one of the photographs and resize it. If you make it too big, it will expand the size of the table. So try to line up all the photographs so that they're the same size. Easy to do, click and drag, make the photographs the same size. Okay, here's where the fun begins when we want to actually insert color into the table. So put your cursor in any one of the blank rows. Let's choose the one between the two photographs. Then we want to click on the table icon in the top menu bar, the second row actually of the menu bar. Click on the table icon and then go to the properties tab, and you want to look at the properties in order to be able to select advanced properties. The advanced properties will allow us to put the background color in. So find the background color box, click on it, and the color table will appear. Run your cursor over the preferred color that you want. I kind of like blue. And then when you see the blue, populate the text with the with the number of the color blue there in the text box. You'll see both the actual color and the name of the color. Then you click OK, and the entire table will populate with a blue background. And there you have it. All you have to do now is save the changes and upgrade and publish the post, and you should have a picture gallery with a blue background and all the pictures the same size for your post. And pretty much that's all there is to it.